All right. Oh, do you see that? That's a fancy graphic. We made that for the retail ice age. Remember that?
Fancy.
That was an ongoing story on this show for many, many years. But the economy, it's humming along and things are turning around. So we made a brand new graphic. Can we see it, please?
Oh.
Retail revival. Oh, what's this all about?
Very positive.
The gentleman on your screen is Brian Field, and he's from ShopperTrak, and you say that retail ice age was a myth. Make your case.
Absolutely, and thank you for having me, Stuart. ShopperTrak is a data analytics company specializing in retail analytics. We work with thousands of retailers around the globe. We count 40 billion footsteps every single year. And the data that we have is showing that the in-store traffic is really coming back. What we saw about 2 years ago was at its depth, there was a downward turn in traffic about mid-single digits. And last year, especially at the holiday season, that was cut in half, and that trend has continued this year.
But I think we were right in saying that you could use the expression retail ice age, and because, as I understood it, like 8,000 bricks-and-mortar stores closed last year and a similar number the year before. That's what we were basing this retail ice age on. But you say it's coming back, that retailing is coming back. People are actually going to bricks-and-mortar stores, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. And just to throw a couple things out there at you in addition to that, if you listen to some of the pundits, they would talk about that Prime Day in the middle of the summer or looking at Cyber Monday would just be a death knell to brick-and-mortar retail. And in fact, what we see is that it has had zero impact on the traffic for retail.
So it's the strong economy. It's the return of a degree of prosperity. That's what bringing people back to the malls and actually going into a store.
Sure, and I've heard you talk about that for a lot of this morning. I think it's that. And I think it's that retailers are themselves finally coming to terms with what is the intersection of bricks and clicks. Retailers that have been traditionally pure play online are starting to open up stores. Retailers that have a mix or haven't been in the internet business, they have been changing the way they've been doing business with their customers. They've been focusing more on experiential retail.
Okay, Brian, thanks for joining us from ShopperTrak. We'll see you again soon. Thank you very much, sir.